Basically, this is a 2001 Acura Integra. This is where your 5 1/4 is located. It's a factory clip, so we're either gonna have to like pray to God we know how to like wire this shit correctly and hook up these other 5 1/4 Pioneer speakers that I got. Kind of cool shits. But they don't have the clip. You have to basically figure out how to wire this shit, as you can see. So that is what we're dealing with right here. That is the panel that we pulled off. I believe there's a screw right here where your door handle goes. There's also a screw right here. All holds on right there.
And the ones with the stripe is a negative.
So as you can see, we pulled this out already. There's the screw right there. That's where the speaker goes. There's a nice screw. There's like a pull pin plug kind of thing there. And then once you get all that shit unscrewed, it should be straight up. I don't know where it is. Maybe it's different. But you pull that wall off the door, and that is how. So basically what Josh is doing right now, he's stripping the positive and negative wiring, so that way we can wire it to the others. There's 2 positive, 2 negatives. You can tell which one the negative is because it has the black stripe coating on it. Now it looks like he's putting the housing. The factory mount housing is actually being put back in there. It's gonna fit with the 5 1/4. Like I said, this is a 2001 Acura Integra GS front speaker replacement is what we're doing right now. This is the cover, factory cover. It goes right there. Really easy to fix. You just take a flathead and pry it out. Real easy fix.